Hey guys, this is Satish Kumar and this is my sixth day of learning English speaking with the help of vlog. So right now morning 8 o'clock and I have woken up. So good morning to all. So guys, stay tuned with me till last of this video and enjoy my today's life and routine in this Pondicherry University. So let's learn and improve our communication skill with the help of vlog and guys just subscribe my YouTube channel and support me in this journey. So right now I'm standing on the terrace of my hostel, that is Aurobindo hostel. This is Birsa Munda hostel. Actually this hostel is most beautiful hostel in this university. So right now I'm going to mess for having morning breakfast. Guys, usually I try to go to mess for having morning breakfast, lunch and dinner very early. Otherwise, I have to stand in queue. So let's go there. So now I have come inside the lift and the lift is going down. This is parking area of Aurobindo hostel, backside parking area, and let's show you backside view of our hostel. So guys, from backside it looks like this and quite similar looking like this in the front view. So this is front view of Aurobindo hostel, Pondicherry University. So this is a mega mess and I have come to mess. Again this mess is opened. Earlier I have to go in the Amudha mess. And see here students are going back by having their morning breakfast. From here I have taken plate and he is serving me. So you can see this is morning breakfast, dosa, milk and sambar. And look here students are having their morning breakfast. Now my morning breakfast is completed and now I'm going to my room. After taking bath we have to go our classes and our classes will be start at 9:30. So I have come outside of my hostel. Actually guys, university's routine is very simple, not too much complicated, just very simple routine: morning breakfast, classes, and after having lunch then classes and go to reading room. This is routine of university. So let's go my room. So finally I have come to my room and let's meet you after getting ready. Then finally I'm ready by taking bath and I am going to my class and he is my roommate Rahis. Actually, he did Photoshop works for whole night. He is very good designer. If you want any design from him, then you can contact with Rahis. Okay, Rahis, are you sleeping? So I am going to class. So guys, I am going now. This is lift. Actually, right now 9:20. I have only 10 minutes to reach my academic block. So let's meet there. So I have taken my cycle and started to go towards SJ campus. And look here, students are also moving for their department and here some students are waiting for bus. So let's meet there. So this is my academic block and I have come to my academic blocks. Look, scene is very nice view at the morning time. So let's enter and here is my classmate Gokul from Pondicherry. Now my class is finished and I'm heading to mess. In afternoon session, we don't have any class. So by putting my bag and cycle in the hostel, I'm going to mess to have lunch. And actually, in afternoon session, we don't have any class because on Tuesday, English department usually display pictures and movies. That's why today is Tuesday, and today they will show Chitrangada movie. So I will go there to watch that movie. So let's meet on the front of mess. I have come to mess, so let's meet after having my lunch. So friends, look, this is Tuesday's lunch. We have today lady finger and potato vegetable, sambar, buttermilk, rice, chapati, including papad. And there students are taking from dining table and some students are eating food. So let's I also eat. I have finished my lunch and going to my room. So guys, almost I have come outside of my hostel. This is my hostel, and let's meet you while going to Silver Jubilee campus for watching movie. Until then, I will edit my video. Okay, so keep enjoying this video. Friends, now I have taken my cycle and I'm going to SJ to watch movie. Actually, this is a plus point for me while I chose Department of English. They so inspirational and caste, gender and class based movies. I have come in the SJ campus and I have parked my cycle. Guys, movie already started. When I was in JNV, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, then I used to watch movie on Saturday and Sunday. So let's go inside. I have come out by leaving that movie. Actually, that movie was very boring. First thing that was Odia, and second thing that was very boring. So I have to leave that in middle of that movie. Odia language, and second thing that was boring. But the language was not problem because they were giving English subtitle. I was not able to catch what story is going on. That's why I have come out by leaving that movie in middle. So now I'm going to my hostel. Actually, guys, language not any problem if they are giving English subtitle. But problem is story. If a story is interesting, then I will watch. Otherwise, I'm not able to stay there for 2 hours. So I'm going to hostel. ये lecture hall complex it is. I want to say one thing. If you want any video on a certain topic, if you want to ask anything related to Pondicherry University admission, counseling, etc., so you can comment me and I will try to make a video on that certain topic. Perhaps that video will help you. So this is tea time, and from here we get food material stuff. So now I have come to my hostel, and now I'm feeling very regret why I went there to watch that movie. And instead of this, I wish I had slept. Actually, sometimes they play very good movies, but today's movie was not good. So what I can do? So now I'm going to sleep, and at evening time I will go at the ground to running. So let's go in room. Now I'm going to stadium. Usually I go on 6 o'clock for running, 6 to 7, but today it's 6:30. I was sleeping, that's why I gotten late. So let's meet there. So guys, finally now I'm at ground. You can see this is ground. So I'm going to run. Friends, this is athletics cum football ground. Students run here and play football. Apart from this, other grounds also, cricket and handball, basketball ground, and there is one indoor badminton ground also. So now I'm going for running. Let's meet after running. So guys, now I have come on the basketball ground, and you can see these are basketball grounds. There are two basketball court, and students are playing here. So let's join with them and play basketball. So guys, finally after running, exercise and playing, I have returned back to my hostel, and I will take now bath, then I will go to reading room. Finally I have come back to my room, and let's meet you after taking bath. So I'm ready and all set to go for dinner, then reading room. So let's go for dinner. Now by eating my dinner, I'm going for reading hall. Actually guys, this campus, Pondicherry University campus, looks very beautiful at the night time. This campus completely shined by different lights. You can see this is Vinayak temple, so let's meet there.
Audio Jungle. Audio.
So this is outside view of reading hall, and I'm going inside. Let me show you inside view. So look, this is inside view. Guys, right now time is quarter past 2 night, and just I came to my hostel from reading room, and here I am finishing my vlog. If you really enjoyed my video, if you really learned something from this video, so please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel to get new videos. And here I am finishing it. So let's meet in another vlog. Till then, Jai Hind.